Hello everyone, very good afternoon all of you. Good evening, good afternoon, welcome to Unify study. So here today we will discuss the predicate logic question. There was the question here in this 2023 December exam. Those are the questions I am going to discuss with you. This type of question was there, and there was 4 to 5 questions from propositional logic and predicate logic itself. 4 to 5 question was only there from this propositional logic and predicate logic. And how to solve this question, how to understand this question, that is I am going to discuss with you. 4 to 5 means 10 marks. You can understand 8 to 10 marks was there from same type of question, that was like this universe of disclosure. Some question integer was given, in some question float was given. Like this way they ask the question and they ask to solve it. So you have to solve the question. You can tell me what will be the answer. Here in front of you one question is there. I am going to ask you the other questions also, and definitely I will tell you the each and every answer with explanation, definitely. So after doing this class, your all the predicate logic, this type of question will be very clear. What is this? What is the meaning of this one? What is the meaning of this one? And how to understand this one? What is the meaning means what is the sentence? How you, when you are changing the format, then what will be the sentence of this format? That is I am going to tell you. So let me know what will be the answer for this one, which of the following statement. And those who are new to this channel, definitely subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon to get all the latest update and notification. That is very important for us. If you are not clicking on notification, then I cannot understand that you are working, you are here or not. Yes, please answer me. I hope I am audible, visible, right? Yeah, so here I'm not. Yes, so here your answer will be A and C. Now why this is the answer and how to solve it, I am telling you. See that here this is telling that in which of the following statement is true. Yes, you are giving answer option 4. Yes, option 4 is the truth statement for the universe of disclosure of the set of integer. Set of integer means it can be positive, it can be negative also, right? Set of integer means it can be like plus 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the numbers can be also there. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. These are the numbers also can be there, right? So that's why here what we have to do, first one, whenever you are reading, for all, this is means for all, and this means there exist. This one is for all and this one is there exist. There exist means at least anyone. For all means for everyone. For all means you have to satisfy these for everyone. Now see, here it is given for all n square greater or equals to 0. For any integer, if you are taking minus 1 square, that will be 1. Minus 2 square, that will be 4. Means these are greater than 0. This is also greater than 0. And it is given greater or equals to 0. Because the 0 is also treated as integer. Positive, negative or 0. 0 is also treated as integer, right? So that's why if I am doing 0 square, then 0 square is also 0. That's why it is given here n square greater or equals to 0. Any number, negative number also square it is positive number, and positive number so definitely it will be square will be positive number itself. That's why this statement is definitely true. Now see the statement number 2. Statement number B means B number statement. Is it true or false? That is you have to check. So it is telling you there exists n means any integer. Is there any integer where n square equals to 2? There is no such integer. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 2, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, minus 1 square is 1, minus 2 square is 4. There is no one where you can do the something square is 2. There is no integer like that. There exists not a such integer which one n square will be 2. So that's why this one is false. Option C, for all n square greater or equals to n. Definitely true. Because why? If I am taking n value equals to 1, then n square will be also 1. So n square greater or equals to n. Yes. If I am taking n equals to 2, then 2 square that is 4. So n square greater than n. Here what it will be? N square greater than n. This is also correct. If I am taking minus value n equals to minus 2, then n square equals to 4. Then also n square greater than n. So definitely this one will be also correct. This is also correct. There exists n square less than 0. Never possible. Never possible, because any negative integer also if I am taking like minus 4 square also 16. Because always whenever I am doing square of any integer will be always greater or equals to 0. That is this one. This one is not true. And that's why your answer will be A and C is the correct answer. This is the way you have to understand this question. That there exist and for all. In proportional logic, all the games are there with there exist and for all. Another question was there from this one only. Here they are asking only that your basic knowledge of integer, real number, float, that concept is clear or not, and you are able to understand this or not. That is only their concern. They ask this type of 4 to 5 question only in 1 year, that is December 2023. And always I am telling you the propositional logic and predicate logic, that is the first order predicate logic. Very very important. Always 8 to 10 marks questions are coming from this area. Because this is related to your AI also. Knowledge representation in AI. This first order logic we are using. And that's why they are giving very much priority in this area. Now tell me what will be the answer for this one. Can you tell me what will be the answer for this one? Komal, Haripriya, Soumya, Jyoti, Mohana, all are present. Answer. Yes, here your answer will be this one. This is your correct answer. You all are true. Option 1, you all are telling option 1. Option 1 is not correct. Mohana is telling the correct answer, that is option 3. Option 3 is correct. Option 1 is not correct. So why it is? See that. Here the statement Px, this is a statement given to you. Px is a statement. What is that statement? X equals to x square. This statement is telling you the x equals to x square. if the universe of the disclosure consists of this integer, for the integer I have to prove that one. Which of the following is true values here out of this? Now see that the first one is P0. For P0 means what? If I put x equals to 0, then is that key 0 equals to 0 square? Because your information was given x equals to x square. Statement is telling you x equals to x square. Is this true or false? Yes, that is true. 0 equals to 0 square. Yes, 0 square is 0. That is true itself. So that's why this will be true here. Now P1. P1 means what? X equals to 1. For x equals to 1, 1 equals to 1 square. Is this true? Yes, 1 equals to 1 square. So x equals to x square. That is also true here. So that's why P1 is also true. P2 is that 2. X equals to 2. 2 equals to 2 square. Never. 2 square to 4. 2 square equals to 4. So here x equals to x square. That is not satisfying when x equals to 2. So for x equals to 2, you are not able to satisfy x equals to x square. And that's why option C is wrong. Those who are marking this one, they are wrong. So you can see option C is here and option C is here. This is the way of solving the MCQ question. Whenever you are able to find out this is wrong, then and there cut that answer. Option C is not correct here. Right? Now see, now remaining is what? A and B already you did. Now D or E, which one is correct? That is you have to check. D is telling you there exists x px. Here is a difference between there exists and for all. There exists means if you are able to prove for any one value, then the statement will be true. For any one value, if it is true, then the statement will be true. For all means for everyone it should be true. For everyone, for all means for everyone it should be true. That is called for all. Right? So that's why now what you have to do, you have to check that here. If I am putting x value equals to 0 or 1, then it is coming true because there exist. For some values like 0 or 1, it is true already. 0 equals to 0 square, 1 equals to 1 square. Means this one will be true. There exists some x for which x equals to x square we can satisfy. But here for all x px that is not correct because it is not true for all. For x 0 and 1 it is true. For x 2, 4, 5 these are the values where this will be not true. For all means for every integer it should be true. Is it true for every integer? No, it is not true for every integer. That's why E is false. So what is your correct answer? A, B and D is your correct answer. A, B and D. C is wrong. E is also wrong. And this is your correct answer. Is that clear to everyone? Got it? How to understand? What is the meaning? The simple question. These are very simple question. If your logic is clear, understanding is clear, then very easy way you can do the question. Here also you can see another question. This is also same way they asked. This is also same way they asked. You can see what will be the answer. If the universe of disclosure of set of integers, then which of the followings are true? This is given here, and same way you have to try by putting some values. Try to put some values and try to check is it coming true or false. What will be the correct answer? Jyoti, Butta Singh, Mohana, Kartika, Soumya, Latha, Komal, Haripriya. Those who are watching here, I can see all of you. Please like, share and subscribe. Nowadays students are not at all ready to watch the classes. And sometimes that's why I am also feeling demotivated. After taking class, I can see 500 views, 600 views, even also 1k views also not coming, because they are not ready to watch the class. They are busy in watching shorts and reels. नाउ तो रील का दुनिया है, रील देखो और टाइम को उतार दो, कोई बात नहीं, एग्जाम के पहले आऊंगी ना, एग्जाम के पहले आऊंगी, 100 लानर्स आएंगे, मैम ये कैसे होगा, मैम वो कैसे होगा, फिर तो सॉल्व नहीं हो पाएगा. तो इट इज ए रिक्वेस्ट टू एवरीवन, प्लीज फॉर मोटिवेटिंग मी, ट्राई टू मोटिवेट मी, share with your all of your friends and try to increase the views. Nowadays students are not watching at all, and that's why sometimes I am feeling also that let's do the shorts only. What I will do to take the class rather than that shorts only they want to watch, that is okay. Yes, the answers are coming. I can see that here answer will be option B and C. That is correct answer. Again, Mohana is correct. Very good. Very good, Mohana. Here, Mohana, two Mohana is there. Mohana Pranav and Mohana J. Mona. Two Mohana is there. Is that? Huh? Okay. So here, what will be first of all, first option A is given, for all n there exist m, means for all integer. Here you have to think that for all integer there exist m, is there some m, for all integer n, is there any n, is there any m where n square less than m? Is it possible anyhow n square less than m? Is it true? Because you can put any value. For all integer means for everyone. For everyone it will be less than. All integer will be less than of m. That will be not true. Because if you are taking m equals to 2 and n equals to whatever, n equals to 3. 3 square, is it less than 2? 3 square, is it less than 2? Definitely not. I am taking n equals to 3, m equals to 2. Is it true? This is definitely not true. And that's why it is wrong here. Now see the option B. There exists n for all m. Means there exists some n. Whenever there exists means for any single value also, if you are able to prove it, then it is true. So is there any single n where for all m, means for all integer, it is satisfying that n less than m square? It will be true if I put n as a negative number. If I put n equals to minus 2 and m equals to anything, m is any positive number or anything, m equals to anything, then always definitely it will be greater. Definitely it will be greater. Because why? If I put n equals to minus 1 and m equals to minus 1, then what will be happen? Minus 1 less than minus 1 square. Yes, because it is minus 1 less than 1. Yes. Minus 1 less than minus 2 square. Yes. Minus 2 less than minus 3 square. Yes. For every time it will be true, because for any n, for all m, for all integer, always n will be less than m square. That is always true, because if I put, always true means when I am putting n equals to a negative number. If I am putting n equals to a positive number, then it may not be true. Because if I put n equals to 6, n equals to 8 and m equals to 2, then it will be not true. Then it will be not true. But here it is there exist, means for some value. It is not for all value, for some values. Is it true where n is less than of all integer? Yes. For some value means for negative integer it will be true. That's why this option B will be true. These are very conceptual question. Don't think that Ma'am, now you will tell me, ma'am, how you are telling this is true? Because if I am taking the value n equals to 3, you will tell me that, ma'am, if I am taking n equals to 8 and m equals to 2, then how you can say n less than m square? Here to happen will be n is 8 and is it less than 2 square? Here to 8 less than 4, ma'am, that is wrong. Yes, it is wrong, because here it's not given ki it is for all. If the statement is given like that, for all n, for all m, n less than m square, then definitely this one is false. But here it is given there exist, means for some n, not for all n. For some values is it true? Yes, for some values it is true, because for the negative integer I can prove that. If I am taking some negative integer, then n will be less than m, that is correct. That is, n will be less than m square, that is correct, and that's why this one is correct. Is that clear? Logically, are you able to understand? Clear to everyone? Yes. Very much logical. Be conceptual, so that you can handle this type of questions. Now you can see, come to the next option. What is there in the next option? See, in the next option it is given, there exists n for all m, n dot m equals to m, means n cross m, means product of n and m equals to m. Is there any value of n where I can satisfy? Because it is there exist. Yes, if I put n equals to 1, if I put n equals to 1, then 1 multiply m will be m. That is, I can prove. 1 multiply m, that is, I can do. So that's why it will be true. This is true. Now there exists n m. Is there any value where, is there any integer where you can do n square plus m square equals to 6? Any value? Not possible. Can you make a combination 6? 6 I can make like that, ki 1 plus 5, 2 plus 4, 3 plus 3. These are the combinations are making 5. But these numbers are not at all a square of any number. Is it a square? It is a square. It is 1 square. But 5 is not a square. So I cannot do. This is 2 is not a square. This one is 2 square. 4 is a 2 square, but this is not a square. 3 also not a square. This is also not a square. I cannot make any combination where n square plus m square equals to 6. I am not able to make. So that's why it is wrong. Can I make any one where there exists n, there exists m, where n plus m equals to 4 and this symbol is and n minus m equals to 1? Is there any combination I can make like this where it will be n minus m? If I am making 4, what of the combinations are possible for n and m to make 4? The combinations are n equals to 2, m equals to 2. Is it 1? No. I can make n equals to 3, m equals to 1. Is it n minus m equals to 1? Not. There is no chance. If I am taking smaller value, to then to definitely no chance. If I am taking that n equals to 1 and m equals to 3, then to definitely no chance. So there is no chance where the both condition, this one also true and this one also true, both should be satisfied. I have to make the addition equals to 4 and subtraction equals to 1. I am not able to make any such combination where this is satisfying, and that's why it is also wrong. So only B and C is correct. Option A is also wrong. D is also wrong. E is also wrong. Only B and C is the correct answer. I hope it is clear to everyone. Yes. I hope this is clear. एक like तो बनता है यार. And those who are watching recording, At least take your some time to put some comments. Your comments is really motivating me. There is no YouTube channel you will not find out that those who are giving all the question solution in detail, each and every concept they are explaining. You will not get anywhere. You will not get anywhere. This is my, I can tell you 100%. You will not find anywhere. So at least if you are watching recording, try to watch all those classes. There already I have created the playlist for UGC NET PYQs. All the UGC NET PYQs playlist is there. Definitely go to the playlist and check the playlist where one by one questions, each and every unit wise question I am explaining. So please take you some time for commenting there. It will be helpful to you also, it will be helpful to me also. Okay, now tell me what will be the answer for this one. It is asking you disclosure where all real number, hi Rohit, all real number, then which of the following are true? These are the options given to you, and from these options you have to tell me what will be true here. Think and answer. What will be the answer? Rohit, Saraswati, Jyoti, Jivita, Soumya, Mohana, Bhutta, Kirtana, Kamal. Yes, answers are coming. Your answer will be option 4. Mohana again correct. Mohana Pranav is correct. Haripriya correct. Option 4 is the correct answer. So what is called real number? Real numbers include both rational and irrational number. It will include rational, irrational both. Rational numbers such as the integer -2, 0, 1 and fractions like -half, 2.5. Irrational number means √3 or 22/7, that is pi. These all are actually your rational number. Okay, now see what will be happen here. Here there exists x. Is there any rational number with which for all y, where x plus y will be y? Is there any one? Yes, if I put x equals to 0, then definitely it will be true. साइड हो जाओ मैम, लेना है, हाँ ले लो स्क्रीनशॉट. So here if you see that x equals to 0, here if you see that x equals to 0, then you can get that yes, this one is coming correct. X plus y equals to 0, it will be correct, right? Now you can see here what will be happen next. Whenever you are coming that for all x, for all y, x greater or equals to 0. X greater or equals to 0 means x is the positive number. Y less than 0 means y is a negative number. Now take any positive number like 2 and any negative number like -1 if you are taking. Now see that x minus y, is it greater than 0 or not? Definitely it will be greater than 0 because 2 minus -1 That will be what? Actually 2 plus 1, that will be 3. Because whenever you are taking minus, then any negative number, then it is coming to plus. This will be plus. And as this is a positive number plus anything, that will be positive itself. Definitely it will be positive. And that's why this statement is also coming true. Next one, option C. There exists x, there exists y. Any x, any y. Where x less or equals to 0 means x is a negative number or 0. Y also is a negative number or 0. In this situation, x minus y greater than 0, is it possible? There exists means for some value, not for all value. It is telling for some value, can you satisfy that x minus y greater than 0? For some value, not for all value. For some value, I can satisfy. How I can satisfy? If I am taking that y equals to minus 5. I am taking here y equals to minus 5 and I am taking x equals to minus 2. That is a value because it is there exist. If any value I can put, then it will be okay. Now x minus y. So x is minus 2, y is minus 5. X is minus 2, y is minus 5. Right? If I am taking that one, because both are negative number. Then is it coming true? Because minus minus, that is coming minus 7. It is coming minus 7. Now both are negative number. If y is more negative, so here is it coming true? Is that coming true? Then more negative x, there exist greater than 0. I have to prove x is less or equals to 0. This is less or equals to 0. It will be. Here I did a mistake. It is not minus 7. It will be what? It will be actually minus 5. Minus 5. That is what? Minus plus 5. That is actually plus 3. This is actually coming plus 3, right? So is it greater than 0 or not? That is greater than 0. So that's why I am able to prove that yes, it is coming true. Yes, got it. So what I have to take? If y is more negative than x, for any value where y is more negative than x, for that I can prove this one true. Because it is there exist. For a single value also, if I am able to prove it, then it is correct. So that's why option C will be correct. Now if I am taking for all x, for all y, now it is have to true for everyone. X not equals to 0, y also not equals to 0. Then definitely product of them will be not equals to 0. It is obvious. For any real number, when they are not equals to 0, if I am doing the product of that real number, then that will be definitely not equals to 0. This is also correct. So your option A, B, C, D all are correct here. I hope it is clear to everyone how to solve this type of question. So these 4 questions was there, where this one 1, 2, these are the 4 questions I discussed with you. This 4 question was from predicate logic. This one was from propositional logic, and this question is very easy question. It is asking you, this is a propositional logic question. One propositional logic question was there. Already the answer came. Ashchi, which of the following are tautology? Which of the following are tautology means which one will be correct here, which one will be true here. If you are able to find out that this one equals to this one, how I can solve? I can solve using P implies Q, that is not P or Q. This is very important. So I will solve like this way, not P or P and Q implies not P or Q. Now take this total part. Again, not P or P and Q, or not P or Q. That is actually coming. So it is what? P bar plus PQ whole bar plus P bar plus Q. This is actually coming. Now if you are solving this, then after solving, if you are getting 1, you will see that after solving you will get here 1. It is your home task. Previously also I told you this is your home task. Very easy, very simple way. Just you have to utilize this one. Just you have to utilize this one. Are you getting 1? If after solving this, if you are getting 1, then only that is tautology, otherwise not. You will say anyhow in the option 1 you will not get 1. But in option, is it coming? It is coming. Sorry, in option 1 it will come 1. How it will come 1? Because here you can apply here the formula. Which formula I can apply? Which formula I can apply? Tell me. A plus B whole bar, I can write A bar dot B bar. That is the De Morgan's law. De Morgan's law I can apply. B double bar dot PQ bar. That is I can do. Then plus P bar plus Q. So it is coming P double bar means P. Then PQ whole bar. PQ whole bar means again this one I can write P bar plus Q bar. Then plus P bar plus Q. So now P dot P bar is 0. P dot P bar, that will come 0. Plus P dot Q bar plus P bar plus Q. Like this it will come. Right? Now if you are doing this one, if you are solving this one, then are you getting 1? Here not P or Q. I did any mistake? P bar, P and Q, not P or Q implies this one. Then negation not P or P and Q, then plus or this one, then it is P bar plus PQ, then whole bar plus P bar plus Q. Yeah, then P bar plus Q. Then it is coming according to De Morgan's law, P double bar dot PQ whole bar. Yes, P plus A plus B whole bar, I can write A bar dot B bar. So I wrote here A bar dot B bar plus P bar plus Q. Now is as it is P, then if I am doing this one, I think from here it will be more easy. I can do like this. This one will be P dot PQ whole bar plus P bar plus Q. Okay, so P dot PQ whole bar, this is coming, and it is P bar plus Q. Now I have to make it 1. Can I make it 1? Anyhow, P plus Q, is it coming 1? Are you getting anywhere? Here if I am doing P, maybe I am doing any mistake, it can be happen. P bar plus Q bar plus P bar plus Q. So P dot P bar, that is P dot P bar plus PQ bar plus P bar plus Q. So from here it is 0 plus PQ bar plus P bar plus Q. Now, yes, now I can get it. Now from here I can do A plus AB bar equals to A plus B. This is I can apply. A plus AB bar equals to A plus B. So here what it is coming actually, if I am writing here, then this is coming this one. Here you can see it is coming PQ bar plus P bar plus Q, means Q plus PQ bar plus P bar. So A, this is A, it is AB bar. You can think like that. This is AB bar. So I can write it is P plus Q. So P plus Q, if I am writing this one I can write as P plus Q. So P plus Q plus P bar. Now P plus P bar will be 1 plus Q, that will be 1. In that way I will get here 1. Because this formula is very important formula. A plus A bar B equals to 1. A plus A bar B is equals to 1. Using that one I can put here 1. So that's why you can get it 1. Same way you can solve option B will also come 1, but option C or option D will not come 1. That's why you will get A and B will be in tautology. This is the way solving the propositional logic using Boolean algebra format. That is very important. Using Boolean algebra you should try, definitely try it. Otherwise this is the way you will get the stuck. You will get stuck, definitely you will get stuck. Okay, got it? Chalo. So I was only solving and others was not here. Bye everyone. See you again in the next class. Bye. See you again with the next class. But it is a request to everyone. Please try to like, share, subscribe and comment, because otherwise I am also not getting motivation. Thank you. Bye. See you again.